A growing number of people online are talking about something surprisingly simple called the baking soda trick. Rather than being promoted as a diet, the baking soda trick is usually described as a small pre-meal routine. The concept is simple. Drink a warm baking soda mixture shortly before eating. According to many users who have tried the baking soda trick, this small habit can help them feel more satisfied during meals and reduce the urge to eat too quickly. Some discussions in the nutrition space suggest this may be connected to how baking soda interacts with water when consumed. Still, the key message repeated by most sources is balance and moderation. The baking soda trick is not meant to replace meals, and people are encouraged to maintain normal eating habits, stay hydrated, and consult professionals if they have health concerns. Its simplicity and low-pressure approach are exactly why the baking soda trick continues to spread online and attract attention. If you're interested in learning how people are using the baking soda trick in their daily routine, you can find more details in the first comment below. Recently, thousands of people online have started talking about what they call the baking soda trick. The concept behind the baking soda trick is surprisingly straightforward: a simple baking soda mixture consumed as part of a regular daily routine. People discussing the baking soda trick online often mention that this small habit may help them feel more mindful about their eating habits and reduce the tendency to snack too frequently throughout the day. Some wellness-related conversations suggest baking soda has been traditionally used in different home routines for years, which may explain the growing curiosity around it. At the same time, most sources make it clear that the baking soda trick is not intended to replace meals or medical guidance. It's usually shared as a simple addition to a balanced lifestyle. Its gentle and uncomplicated approach is exactly why the baking soda trick keeps gaining popularity online. If you're curious about how others are incorporating the baking soda trick into their routine, the first comment below has more information.